Hi students, we are seeing economical lesson and on that we are discussing about production. So factor of production. So what are the factor of production? So primary factor also there, derived factors also there. Land and labor we call it as a primary factor. Okay. So goods and that means these are naturally given and without them no goods can be produced. Okay, without land and labor it is difficult for us to produce goods. Okay, so this is a natural one. And what is this is called primary factor. Okay, so what is derived factor? So capital and organization, what is the investment is made by men. Okay, man and the organization. Okay, this is called derived factors. Okay, these both are combinationally works means the production is going on. Okay, so and raise the total production, it raises the total production also. So factor of the production, what are that? Land, labor, capital, organization. So we will see about the one by one. Okay, so land, first one is land. Land is a factor of production, refers to those natural resources or gifts of nature they are provide free to men, which are provide free to men. Okay, that means this is the land is a natural gift. Okay, natural resources and one of the gift of nature for us. So it is provided free to man. Okay, land is a factor. So provided for a man. It includes the itself several things within itself several things. Okay, so land is have lots of several things. What are that? So on land we can see the air, water, minerals, forests, rivers, lakes, seas, mountains and the various climates and various weather also. So what is the difference for climate and weather? Okay, if we are saying climate means the seasonal changes. So this year is summer means this year April May is summer means next year also April May is summer. That is we call it as climate. Okay. So weather means day to day changes. So morning there is a hot, now little bit cloudy. Okay, this is called weather. Day to day changes we call it as weather. Okay, so long changes, that is called climate. Okay, don't confusion with climate and weather. Okay, thus land includes all the things that are not made by men. Land, okay, the land whatever it includes it, all the things which are, what are the things? Air, water, mineral, forests, rivers, lakes, seas, mountains, climate and weather, these are all things are not made by man. Okay, so these are came as per nature. So characteristic of land. So man has to make effort in order to acquire other factor of production. So man is doing other factor of production. So lots of production man is doing based on their job. Okay, now based on their job and business. So but to acquire land, no human efforts are needed. But land is not the outcome of human labor. Okay, this is not an outcome of human labor. It exists even long before the evaluation of men. Okay, lots of evaluation of men, it existed. Okay, so land is fixed in supply. The total quantity of land does not undergo any changes. The total quantity of the land or total, that means all the land never undergoes the any changes. It is limited and cannot be increased or decreased without human effort. Okay, so the land, it is not increased or decreased by human. So total, that means does not undergo any changes. That means totally it won't go any changes. If earthquake comes means whatever area the earthquake came, that area only affected, not other areas will be get effect. Okay, so like that it goes on, undergoes on any changes, does not go undergo any changes as total quantity. Okay, this go whatever it happens in the area, that area only affects. Okay, the land cannot be increased by men or decreased by men, human effort. Okay, there is no chances. So no, that is a natural one. So there is no chance for human to increase or decrease. No alteration can be made in the surface area of land. So no alteration we can't make it. So this is hilly area means that is hilly area. Plain area means on plain area. So based on the area we can cultivate to the land. Okay, we cultivate, cultivation purpose we are doing. So we can't change the land hill area into plain and plain area into hilly. It is possible? It is not possible. Okay, so no alteration can be made in the surface area of land. In surface we can't make any changes. We can, based on its nature, we can do the cultivation only. Land in impossible. Okay, all man-made things are possible. That means possible means கெட்டு போகக்கூடியது, அழுகும் நிலை கொண்டது. ஓகேவா? So and these may even go out of existence, but land is indestructible, thus it cannot go out of existence. It is not destructible. Okay, possible. That means land is நாட் அ பர்சன், ஒரு அழுகக்கூடியதோ ஒரு லேண்ட் வந்துட்டு கெட்டு போகக்கூடியதோ கிடையாது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அது அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்ம தான் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், லேண்ட் மேலே பொல்யூஷனெல்லாம் க்ரியேட் பண்ணுறோம். குப்பையை கொட்டுறது, லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் இதெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து வேஸ்டேஜஸ் எல்லாம் போடுறது, இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம வி ஆர் ஓன்லி ஸ்பாயிலிங் த லேண்டு இல்லையா? ஸோ லேண்ட் இஸ் அ ப்ரைமரி ஃபேக்டர் ஆஃப் ப்ரொடக்ஷன். even in any kind of production process we have to start with land. Okay, any production, if we with if you start any business means there is need of land. We have to set up the industry. So for that, in setting the industry we need a land. For launching industries, it helps to provide raw material. For example, in industries it helps to provide raw materials, and in agriculture crops and are produced on land. So for example, agriculture industry. Okay, so for agriculture industry it produces the raw material to that industry. Okay, so it helps to the agro based industries also. Okay, land is immovable, so we can transport land one place to another place. It be in same place only. Okay, so for instance, no proportion of India's surface can be transported to some other country. So it is not possible one. So in India, our land we can transport to another country. Is it நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய, இப்போ நம்ம இங்கே ராசிபுரத்தில் இருக்கோம், இந்த லேண்டை கொண்டு போய் ஃபாரினில் ஒரு கண்ட்ரியில் நம்ம வைக்க முடியுமா? It is not possible. So land is an immovable one. Okay, so land has some original indestructible power. Okay, so there are some original and indestructible power of land which a man cannot destroy. So land has some power. இப்போ லேண்டில் சாயில் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த லேண்டில் வந்துட்டு பார்த்திங்கன்னா நம்ம பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா, க்ரஸ்ட்டு, மேண்டல், கோர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி லேயர்ஸ் எல்லாம் படிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ இதை வந்துட்டு மேன் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, இட் ஹாஸ் சம் ஒரிஜினல் qualities, okay, which man cannot destroy. Okay, its fertility may be varied, but it cannot be destroyed completely. Fertility சத்துன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதோட சத்து, மண்ணோட சத்துன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது. ஸோ அதோட fertility can change. Okay, can varies because alluvial soil there is a more fertility in that soil. In black soil we compare to the alluvial soil, that much fertility is not in this soil. Okay, so like that it varies and it cannot be destroyed completely. Okay, so land differs in fertility. So fertility of a land differs on different places of pieces of land. Okay, one pieces of land may produce more and the other less because of the fertility of the soil. So if we cultivate means one place we are getting more yielding, and some of the places we are not getting that much yielding because of the soil. Okay, so soil fertility is there means we can yield more quantity of the production. Okay, and as a gift of nature the initial supply price of land is zero. Okay, and however when used in production it becomes scarce, that means patrakurai, therefore it fetches a price accordingly. So nature initially supply prices of land is zero, so nature is a gift for us, so it supplies for us piece, that means supplies us with zero, that means land is zero. It is giving all the products for us. In the beginning period the man is collected the gather the food and hunting they did as a beginning period, so for that they didn't pay anything. So when the production came into existence, exist after the cultivation, the land cultivation and because of the population growth the land became sacred. Okay, so therefore it fetches a price accordingly, so automatically the land area become less because lots of building came, so it fetches the price accordingly. So labor. Okay, so labor is a human input in the production process. Okay, so for if the labor physically put the is activity in the production only, the production can possible. Okay, according to Alfred Marshall defines labor as the use of body or mind. Okay, partially or wholly. So partially or wholly man is used for use of body and mind is used for the production with a view to secure an income apart from the pleasure derived from the work. Okay, so they are for that they are involving on their body and mind for the production, they are getting the that means they are getting the economy, that means getting the money for the work. Okay, okay, so they are shown here the machinery work also, physical work also they are shown, mind work, that means in company machinery work, on machinery they are working, physical work they are doing the planting the paddy, and mind work IT company is shown. Okay, so what are the characteristic of labor? Okay, so the characteristic of labor is a more perceivable than other factors of production. Okay, so மற்ற ப்ராடக்டோட மேன் சீக்கிரம் என்னென்னா ஹோல் டே வி கான்ட் ஒர்க். ஸோ பார்த்திங்கன்னா அதுக்காக நம்ம இடையில என்ன எடுப்போம், ஃபுட் எடுப்போம். அதே மாதிரி என்ன ஆகிடும், டயர்ட் ஆகும். ஸோ இட் மீன்ஸ் லேபர் கேனாட் பி stored. Okay, so the labor of an unemployed worker is lost forever that for that day when does not work. Okay, forever continuously it is not possible for men to work all day because they need some rest also. So labor can neither be postponed or not accumulated for the next day. Okay, labor it is possible for postpone next day. So if they postpone next day means the production will be less. Okay, it is perish. So once time it is lost, it is lost forever. Okay, labor is an activity factor of production because labor is activity only came into production. Okay, so for the production purpose labor's activity is need one. So neither land nor capital and yielding much without labor. Okay, like how the land and capital is important for the production, like labor also important. So labors are is not homogeneous. Okay, skill and dexterity vary from person to person. Yes, because if you see means one person to another, one student is getting first rank, and another student, one of the student is getting last rank, because the skill is varies from one person to another person. Okay. So labor cannot be separate from the laborer. So labor cannot be, we can't separate from the laborer. So we can't separate from labor as one of the labor to be separate one. Like that we can't separate. Labor is mobile. He is movable one. So man moves from one place to another, from low paid occupation to high paid occupation. From the low paid occupation, they are wherever they are getting high paid occupation, they are moving there. Okay, from here to there they are moving. It's obviously happens. So individual labor has only limited bargaining power. So he cannot fight with his employer for a rise in wages or improvement in workplace condition. Okay. So individual, that means alone individual labor. ஓகேவா. ஸோ தனியாக இருக்கக்கூடிய பர்சன் லேபர் வந்துட்டு அவர் வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, ஈ கான் ஃபைட் வேஜஸ், கூலி அதிகமாக வேணும்னோ இல்லை ஒர்க் பிளேஸோட கண்டிஷன் நல்லா இருக்கணும்னா ஈ கான் ஃபைட். ஓகே. So however, when workers combine to form trade union, the bargaining power of labor increase. So if the more one person, it is not possible. If more labor is there, so they are forming a union. From the union, it is possible of bargaining power, and of labor increases. Bargaining power increases for the labors. Okay. So division of labor, we can divide the labor. Okay, skilled labor and semi-skilled labor, and based on their work also we can division, we can make a division. Okay, this will we will continue on tomorrow's class, I mean next class. Okay, so from this we have the homework. Okay, so what is the homework? I send you to the group and you have to do the homework. Okay, Kana? I send you the material, on that I give you the homework also, you do it. Okay, thank you girls.